subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
In the month of March 2016, the iPhone SE was officially launched as a refreshed update to the iPhone 5s body, with the internals and the updated camera of the iPhone 6s. It has been over 2 years, and the rumor point to the Apple possibly releasing a new version of the popular 4-inch iPhone form factor sometime next month. The latest iPhone SE leak shows the glass back. What's interesting is the phone was previously rumored to nix the headphone jack, but this model has the headphone jack right at the bottom. The phone was not shown with the screen on, which means that it could be likely a dummy unit. The thing about the dummy unit is that they are hard to validate. The iPhone SE was the last Apple phone released to have a headphone jack, but this leak denies the previous rumor that the headphone jack won't exist on the new iPhone SE. So, what do you guys think of the new iPhone SE? Should have a headphone jack or not? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.